Hello, in this video we are going to talk about what happens to your body if you stop eating sugar for 2 weeks. What you are doing is converting from sugar burning to fat burning. During this process, you may feel a few symptoms. These symptoms can be relieved by taking B vitamins and potassium. What would happen if you stop eating sugar? Number 1, lose appetite for sugar. When you consume sugar, a hormone pushes the sugars down, causing a low blood pressure and low blood sugar situation that makes you crave food. Number 2, less hungry. You always hungry because of sugar. Taking sugar out of your diet can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Number 3, less fatigue. This is especially true after eating a meal. Number 4, lose excess water and fat. You will lose a lot of water and fat during the first week. Number 5, enhanced mood and improved cognitive function. Concentration and focus are more important. Number 6, skin looks better. Glowing skin with less acne. Number 7, less stiffness, less inflammation and less pain. More benefits of quitting sugar. Build new enzymes to run the body on fat fuel. Less inflammation in the arteries. Growing brain cells. Clean out a fatty liver. Better kidney function. Thank you.